Here at Mullin Machinery, we have a Mazak 34 by 240 inch lathe. It's got a large Morse taper number 6 tailstock, 2 steady rests, Dorian block tool post, the couple holders. I have the metric change gears, some tailstock adapters. Has a Bison 4-jaw chuck on it, but this one has the jaws are chipped, so I have another chuck that I'm going to put on it instead. We have the rapid traverse on the carriage. The charts are readable. They're a little banged up, but they're readable. A 4 1/16 spindle hole. Electric panel. It's a little dirty, but it's there. Run it low speed first. Brake. We have high speed. It's too fast. It's 1200 RPM. Too fast for that chuck. So let's go to 475. Stock down. Here are the ways. There's one little bang there right up under the chuck, but otherwise the ways have some light lines in them, but no big ridges or anything. But there's some light lines where they drag some chips down. This is just oil on it, but there's no deep grooves or gashes, just some roughness to it. Not terrible, but some roughness. Same thing, very light on the back. Further down you go, you still have some lines where they drag some chips, but no ridges or anything.